One of the key problems that those that believe in the theory of evolution is, where did information come from? Those that are familiar with the living cell are well aware of the very special information that is found inside. But where did this information come from? A living cell has the equivalent of literally dozens of books with 500 pages of text in each book. All of this is contained in a microscopic molecule called DNA. Most are aware that no complex information ever comes from anything except from an intelligent source. Both the information and the means of communication are always produced by some kind of intelligent being or machine. If you do not have both of these, you have no communication whatsoever. A simple book, for example, has words that are communicated on the pages of the book. But first, those words must be thought up by a person, in other words, an intelligent source. Once these words have been placed in the book, then someone needs to be able to read it. Reading means an intelligent person has learned to interpret the letters and words that have been typed onto the page in this case. If we look at the DNA of the simplest types of bacteria, the information is extremely complex. In fact, scientists are still attempting to figure out the language found in the DNA. A few years ago, scientists used the term junk for information that they could not understand contained in DNA. Now, scientists are discovering that even this so-called junk information is actually used in ways that are still a mystery. A complex machine or intelligent being is needed. This would imply that intelligence is required for giving or receiving information. Information requires the following in order for it to be usable. Number one, someone or something intelligent that originates the information. Number two, you need a means to initiate the information, which again takes intelligence. Number three, you need a means to communicate the information. Number four, you must have a means to receive the information. Number five, you must have a person or something to interpret the information. Each step requires someone or something with intelligence. And because intelligence is involved with every step of information within the cell, this would seem to remove any possibility of Darwinian evolution, because intelligence or miracles negate any possibility of the theory. 100% of complex information has always involved intelligence. There is simply no exception to this. But evolutionists must deny this fact and say that extremely complex information can be formed accidentally.